SAT takers, this is Ate Rhea, and today we will be solving an SAT math problem. So sa problem na to, hinahanap natin yung value of S. First things first, i-simplify muna natin yung equation. So dito sa numerator, pwede natin i-factor out yung 4 para maging 3x plus 7 all over 4. And then copy lang natin yung iba. Then, we can cancel out yung 4 dito, and we can distribute yung r dito. Magiging 3x plus 7 minus s over 13 is equal to rx minus 8r. So, kapag tinatanong is infinitely many solutions, dapat yung coefficient ng x ay equal or identical. And yung constant is identical or equal din. So, pwede natin isulat na 3x is equal to rx. And yung 7 minus s over 13 is equal to negative 8r. So, mag-start tayo dito. Pwede natin i-cancel out yung x and matitira is r is equal to 3. Ito, pwede na natin i-substitute dito sa r dito. So, magiging 7 minus s over 13 is equal to negative 8 times 3, which is yung value ng r. Simplify lang natin. Magiging negative 24. Lipat natin dito ito, and then dito ito, para mag-positive. Magiging 7 plus 24 is equal to s over 13. 31 is equal to s over 13. And finally, s is equal to 403. So, yan na yung sagot natin. Pwede natin siyang i-double check sa Desmos or yung official calculator ng SAT. So, for those who don't know, merong built-in na calculator sa SAT na you can utilize during the examination. So, dito, try natin yung r is equal to 3. And s is equal to 400 and kung makikita natin dito, same line na lang sila. Which is true kasi kapag by infinitely many solutions sa equation, ibig sabihin lang nun is the same line sila. So, yun na yung problem. And Scholar ng Bayan is now offering SAT review courses. So, be sure to enroll if you're planning to take the SAT. Thank you!